In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple task management system in Notion. First, head over to notion.com. If you're not already signed in, click login, then go to your workspace. Once you're in, we'll create a fresh spot for your tasks. Click create new page. This gives you a blank canvas where your task manager will live. Inside the new page, press the / on your keyboard, then type table view. From the options that appear, click table view. This creates a database table, which is perfect for organizing tasks because each column represents a property, things like status, due date, and priority, and each row is an individual task. Next, we'll set up the key properties you need. Click Add Property or the plus icon and add the following properties: task, status, due date, priority, and category. Think of task as the name of the thing you need to do. Status helps you track progress, due date keeps deadlines visible, priority shows urgency, and category helps you group tasks by area of your life. Let's refine the priority property so it's more useful. Click priority, then click edit property. Change the options to low, medium, and high. Clear labels like these make it easy to scan your list and decide what deserves attention first. Now do the same changes for the category property. Edit the category based on your needs. For example, I'll set mine to home, work, and school. Feel free to choose categories that match your world. What matters is that they help you quickly filter and focus. With your structure in place, you can start adding tasks. In the task column, type what needs to get done. Set their statuses to reflect where they stand. Maybe something like not started, in progress, or done, depending on how you like to track. Add due dates so you always know what's coming up. Assign a priority of low, medium, or high to highlight urgency. And set a category so tasks are grouped in a way that makes sense to you. As you enter more items, your table becomes a living dashboard. You'll be able to see what's due soon, what's most urgent, and what belongs to each part of your life. Keep your labels consistent and your entries brief but clear. This helps your system stay fast and easy to use. That's it. Your simple task management system in Notion is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.